As we're nearing towards another round of Apple rolling out its new products, there are a lot of rumors swirling around for iPhone 18 Pro. Welcome to GadInsider, your go-to place for the latest tech updates. There are whispers being heard that Apple is finally cutting down the controversial dynamic island's width by a massive 50%, shrinking its width from 20.76mm down to 13.49mm. This would help enlarge the overall screen area of the iPhone's display. Although even at this shrunken size, the island would still considerably be wider than the tiny selfie camera punch holes now sported by the vast majority of Android phones. Sure, it's still bulkier than those tiny punch hole cameras on Android phones, but it is a massive upgrade for the iPhone display. Meanwhile, the giant camera bump on the back is expected to stretch all the way across the rear panel, just like the iPhone 17 Pro. Speaking of cameras, Apple might be packing a fancy new variable aperture lens into the main camera. While it sounds super high-tech, experts are skeptical. Android tried this years ago and it didn't change much. With phone cameras, you usually want the lens wide open to let in maximum light. Narrowing it can make your background sharper, but on a small phone sensor, everything is already pretty sharp. Plus, shutting out light means your phone has to work harder, which usually results in grainy, noisy nighttime photos. Apart from that, the screen's getting a serious glow up. The new models are rumored to feature advanced LPTO Plus displays using smart transistors. This clever tech controls the power flowing to every single pixel, cutting down battery drain while keeping your scrolling buttery smooth. Software is also getting an upgrade, with iOS 27 introducing an AI-powered Siri mode built right into your camera app. Plus, you'll be able to generate custom wallpapers using AI prompts. These features are dropping in September, but start saving now. Supply chain costs are soaring, so prices will skyrocket. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.